Viernes.
Viernes.
Sabado. Okay, again, repeat. Read.
Linggo.
Lunes.
Martes.
Martes. What is the neighboring sound? This one. Read this one. What is the neighboring sound? The letter. What is the sound of this? A, E, I, O, U. Remember, the A, E, I, O, U. M is the first letter. What is the neighboring sound? Miércoles. Louder. Miércoles. Miércoles. Viernes. Sábado.